Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 7 both were launched at a crazy price tag of $599. And that alone made these two Google Pixel devices super cheap to grab with all those Pixel flagship features. And that too considering the competition is starting at $799. But there are rumors that the Google Pixel 8 actually could cost way more. Now, since the past Pixel standard models were priced at $599 at launch, everyone kind of expects Google to keep the same price tag even for their upcoming Google Pixel 8 model, which actually will replace the Pixel 7 in the market. But one very reliable leaker actually disagrees on that. But before anything else, the leaker also confirmed some of the specs. The Pixel 8 will actually have a 6.17-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, but this time it will come with 120Hz refresh rate instead of 90Hz. That's a big upgrade. Even though the screen size is getting smaller, the refresh rate is going up. It will be powered by Google's Tensor G3 chip, 8GB of RAM, 128 and 256GB of storage options, 50MP main camera with optical image stabilization, and 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera. The selfie camera will be 11MP, ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, 4485 mAh battery, 24W fast charging, and 12W wireless charging. But these are something that we've already seen a lot of the times and I've already made so many videos on them. But in his tweet, he states that Pixel 8 will be released in early October, no surprise, for either $649 or $699. That's surprising. That's no cheap considering outside US, it will be way more expensive. Now, if you look at another Google Pixel device, this one will make sense. The actual price difference between the Pixel 6a from last year and the replacement of that, the Pixel 7a from this year, is actually $50. Yes, there is an increase of $50 in the price. So now all these things starts to make sense. But even then, Google is actually bringing a lot of changes to the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro this year. We recently even saw the Pixel 8 Pro live images. And that shows one thing very clearly. The design-wise, the phones are less boxy than the current models. Now, these two devices also come with a new camera bar design with some significant upgrades in the camera department. The ISOCELL GN1 of the Pixel 7 will be replaced in both the Pixel 8 phones with a bigger ISOCELL GN2 camera. It's a massive, very close to 1-inch sensor, a 50MP sensor, and it can capture 35% more light than the current models for better low-light photography. In addition to that, it will also come with a new ultra-wide-angle sensor and 8K video shooting capabilities. Plus, this year, finally Google Pixel devices might feature Samsung DeX competitive feature. Now, this one will make the experience of using this phone different and greater when connected to an external monitor. But it is still up to Google whether they're going to do it or not, but there are evidence that this is coming. You can check out my recent video on that. According to past reports, the Pixel 8 might support 24W charging and have a larger battery capacity of 4485 mAh rated battery capacity, means 4500 of typical battery capacity. Now, other than that, the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro displays are also getting massive upgrades in the form of brighter displays. Yes, they're going to feature much more brighter displays than they ever did. That's probably it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the Pixel 8 now, knowing that there is a potential for a price increase? And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website, a link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.